This should be a Bluetooth speaker, which I got for like $6. Not a Black Friday deal, but really, really cheap. It's usually about twice that. But what I presume is that its battery is dead. The last Bluetooth speaker I bought for $5, it had the same problem. The battery was absolutely zero. I mean, not zero, but around 1 volt. That's as good as that when it comes to lithium ion batteries. I charged that one up and then fell back to 1 volt. So, yeah, that's how it works usually. Let's see this time. Did I get lucky or not? How they package these in a double bag, or it's just spun around several times. Come on. Oh, yeah. Here it is. Marvelous. So, this is a JRH. I don't know what that means, but it's a Charge Mini 4 Plus portable wireless speaker, which means that it also has a power bank functionality, allegedly with, let's see if it has any specs. Oh yeah, 6000 milliamp hour battery. Oh boy. That should mean that it has three 18650 cells like this, or a couple of flat cells. But yeah, for $6, come on. We're all friends here, don't lie to me. So yeah, anything else interesting? Oh, allegedly it's the blue one. Does this mean the blue one? Let's see. I ordered the black one, but I don't really care. Sound has no color. Oh boy, it's an ugly blue one. It's so ugly. Oh boy. And you know that this isn't the official way to package things. Somebody just retwisted this, so this is a return product, most likely. But yeah, let's try it. Oh boy, it's heavy. Kind of heavy. Not very heavy, but yeah, heavy enough. So yeah, micro USB, micro SD, USB, and it's switched off, luckily. Some rubber feet, buttons on the top, which is plus minus mode allegedly, and play pause. And yeah, focus, please. So there's something for the strap. This is the speaker. Or no, not necessarily. I mean, these could be the two speakers on the two ends, but these can also be the bass reflex whatevers that are just rubber and they just move with the speakers. So yeah, allegedly this is like 20 watts. So let's see. How do you turn it on? Oh boy, it's on. And it's looking for yeah, that's nice. So what should I try here? Yeah, I'll run some tests and see. So apparently it doesn't have a dead battery, but we'll see how good it is.